Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by accessing the equalizer in your app or system audio. Make sure the track and output device are active. Once opened, switch to a flat preset so you start neutral and choose a band layout. 10 or 20 bands gives control, 1/3 octave if you need precision. You should play a reference track at listening volume. This provides a consistent target. While listening, prepare to make small adjustments, because subtle changes matter more than big boosts. Once you have a reference track, sweep the bands to find boom, muddiness, or harshness. You'll typically adjust bass, mids, and treble ranges. Make changes in 1-3 dB increments and avoid big jumps. Narrow the cue to target a specific ring or resonance and widen it for tonal shaping. You should constantly /be your changes. Toggle the equalizer on and off to confirm improvements. Also check mono compatibility and how vocals sit. Slight counter adjustments can prevent masking. To finish, listen across multiple tracks and devices to ensure your changes translate. Make a gentle overall EQ or master trim if levels peak. Save your custom preset for consistency and label it for the intended use. If something sounds worse, revert the most recent band first and test. If problems persist, check sample rate mismatches, DSB latency, or any additional processing like compression. If clipping appears, reduce gain or add a small negative trim and reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.